Okay, I just finished using it. So I made a Coke slushie, and as you can see, there's still some of it left in there. So now I'm going to use the cleaning cycle and wash this out. So I have it set for clean. So when it starts turning, it's not going to freeze the water. It's just going to run normal. So this doesn't freeze it, which is nice. So I'm going to add my water. And I'll run about, 2 or 3 of these through there. And then I'll show you after this how it comes apart and how you can clean it. Okay, and now a second time, I'll run some more water through here on the cleaning mode. This also fits under the cupboard, except for the handle, but that's fine. I can squeeze it back in there pretty good out of the way. If you're really picky, you could take the handle off. Now you can keep going, they're 7 minutes. You don't have to go all the way through that. I could probably run one more thing of water. But usually what I'll do is I'll take this off next, and I'll show you. And I'll wash this separately under the sink, the plastic container. Okay, so after you ran your water through, we're going to take this apart. So take the little handle back here. We'll just pull this out a bit since my counter's in the way. Pull that up. This comes apart. And you have your plastic little part here, which has already been cleaned, but I'll take this, like I said, and I'll run this through the sink water and let that dry separately. And then you have a little tray here that you can pull out. And this is all full of the Coke water that I was using in my last Coke Slurpee. So you want to empty that and clean that out. Then of course, if you want, you can come in here and wipe this down. So, don't forget about this little extra tray that you want to wash out. Okay, now after you've washed the bottom tray out, slide this back into place. Grab this plastic piece that turns. And you want to make sure it goes all the way to the back. Otherwise the next piece won't fit on. And this also just slides right in. All the way to the back, and then you pull your lever down and it tightens it. And the light will go off because it said OP, which meant open. So now it's closed and all ready to go. So it's very easy to clean. I didn't clean this out thorough. I would usually wash it a few times with a spray hose under the sink, let it dry, and then put it all back together. But thanks for watching, and you also have your little tray here that you can take apart and wash. The drip tray comes off the machine.